Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I've got the bag opened that the yarn was in this bag, and it came from Ice Yarns, and my friend Claire, she ordered some ice yarn and she sent me a message and she said, "I sent you a package and you'll get it soon." And then she was on the Aldi in the UK were doing a yarn special, a craft special, and when they do the art and craft specials, they do yarn as well. And she says, "I've sent you some, I sent you some yarn," and it's truly amazing. She's a wonderful, wonderful friend, and I'm going to show you now. The bag's open. It was kind of sort of a little burst bit when I got it. But I'm going to show you this. The ice yarn's on the top and the Aldi yarn is on the bottom. Now in the background you're going to hear Muttley. You're going to hear Muttley. He's got himself a box and he's tearing the box up. So if I put this on the floor, he's going to be taking this and putting his ball in it, because that's just what Muttley does. Now look at this. This is absolutely amazing. Now this is so beautiful. I've actually started to use it. I've been making something and I'm going to upload it quite soon, because the summer's starting to go and the autumn's coming in, and look at the colours in this. It's absolutely beautiful. It is beautiful. Look at that. Now I'm going to put those two down there. There was 4 balls in each pack. Look at Molly. And what Ice Yarns do is they sell the yarn in packs, and it's amazing the price of it. But if you're not in Turkey, it comes from Turkey, the shipping, it gets added on to that. But when you add it all together and you break it down per ball, and you divide it with the shipping and the price of the yarn, it works out really quite cheap to still do that. And there are websites. There's a UK website. I think there's an American website as well that you can order from, but you still pay shipping. Some people have been saying to me, "You're getting free delivery on it," but every time I go on it, there isn't any free delivery. It's always got the shipping added in. But look at this. Anyway, this is beautiful, Claire. It's absolutely beautiful. I've already sent her a message and I sent her a little video of what was in the bag. Look at that. That is just stunning. It's just stunning. It is just so squishy as well. This is the Magic Baby as well. There's lots of different colourways with this. There's that one there. Look, there's lilacs, there's pinks, there's lemons, there's blues, there's different shades of blue, different shades of pink, there's red. There's unbelievable the colours on it. And these are 100-gram balls, and it's 360 metres that's in this. It tells you to use a 4mm knitting needle. But again, if you only get a picture of a knitting needle, you use the same size of hook that it tells you for the knitting needle. The shaft of the crochet hook and the shaft part of a knitting needle is the same. So a 4mm knitting needle, if you crochet, use a 4mm hook. But then again, it depends on what you're making, because a lot of the time I change the size of the hooks as well. Depends on the stitch that I'm doing. But that is beautiful. I'm going to just pop that over on the side. And I'll move these ones as well. So I'll pop that one down at the side, and I'm going to show you this one. This is beautiful. And again, it's the Magic Baby, but look at that colourway. It is amazing. And If I bring the three of those up, look at that. That is unbelievable. Even those two together, unbelievable. Makes beautiful, beautiful crochet items and knitting. So don't forget, a lot of people that watch my channel knit as well, and it's absolutely amazing. I'll pop that back there. Don't take the bag. So I'll pop that one down. That is absolutely amazing. Now look at this. When I got this through the door, it was in a big box, and I'm like, oh my goodness, you are kidding me. Look at this. Look what Claire has sent. This is absolutely amazing. But not one. She sent two. Unbelievable. Now this is all chenille. It's baby chenille, and it's from Aldi in the UK. Now if you have an Aldi in your country and they don't do a art and craft special, email them and ask them if they'll do an art and craft special and do some yarn. Look at that. Look at the colours in this. Let me get a mint green. Even those together, look at that. It's so delicate a colour. It's so pastel, and it's soft as well. There's 100 grams in each ball, and I don't know if there's a little pattern in it. So it does give you a pattern inside the label. It tells you how many balls of yarn that you need for the item that's there. It says a free crochet basket pattern on the reverse of the label. It tells you, I saw it, it said 4 balls. It tells you how many that you need there. 4 balls are needed for the pattern that's inside the label. I'm going to give that a little try and make a little laundry basket. It's really, really soft as well. It tells you to use an 8mm hook. Well, it's knitting needle. Again, like I said already, that would be an 8mm hook. That's quite a thick hook because this is quite a thick, bulky yarn, but it's so soft and it crochets up really quickly as well. There's 95 meters in this, and it just says it's a medium weight and it's 100 grams. And look at that, that's absolutely amazing. Now there's this, is there a colour on it? Colour, elephant ears. Oh, that's elephant ears. It's like a very light grey. This one is mint frosting. Isn't that a lovely name? The lemon one is lemon sherbet. That's lemon sherbet. That's the mint frosting, and that's the elephant ears. Now I'll put that just down there. Look at this one. This is absolutely amazing. It's beautiful. The colours, if I can see through, I need to open it. I'm going to open it. Of course I am. Now I'll keep these bags out of Mutley's way. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at the colour of that. This is, there'll be a colour this way. This is blue mist. The colour on this is blue mist. The pattern's the same, it's that basket. This one's blue mist. This one, oops, this way. This one is cherry blossom. Look how dainty and pink that is. It's beautiful. And the other one, it's going to keep me really busy with all this. This one is fluffy clouds. Look at that, it looks like vanilla ice cream, and it really is so soft. And you can mix this colour with any of the other ones. Look at that, those together, and that pink and that cream. It's absolutely beautiful. Claire, you're amazing. You're absolutely amazing. And you've turned out to be a wonderful, wonderful friend as well. So thank you very, very much, Claire. I've got no words left. I really haven't. It's been unbelievable. Everyone is just so enjoying these Happy Meal videos, and the yarn just keeps coming. It keeps coming from people destashing, and they're moving house to smaller houses, and they're cutting down their yarn, they're destashing, to people just being so generous when they order something online, and they're ordering items for me as well and sending it is absolutely wonderful. I just can't, I don't think there's any crochet channel on YouTube that gets this. There is just, I don't think there's any single YouTube channel at all that gets so much yarn and Happy Meal deliveries, and it's unbelievable, and I really, really do appreciate it. I really do. And I love all the comments from people and all the little notes that I've been getting as well. I've been keeping all of those too, and it's amazing. And I'm just so happy that you appreciate, a lot of the people, you all appreciate the time it takes for me to do all the videos. And I just love to be able to, I love it when I get a comment that I've helped someone to make something, or someone sold a blanket that they made and it's helping them to make a little bit of pocket money. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then just click on that subscribe button. It's free. It's free to subscribe to my channel. And if you click on the bell icon, you'll get notified, especially with all these Happy Meals. YouTube will notify you when I put up another tutorial. So I need to get back to my crochet now. I've got a beautiful set of blankets and things to make with a lot of all this yarn that have been donated, and I really, really do appreciate it. And Claire, you're just amazing. Thank you so much. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.